every lady. Oh, oh, oh.
Y'all matching. I'm here cleaning up the horse stall because a snowstorm's supposed to be coming. She usually don't be in here, but I'm cleaning it out, getting it right for her. Yeah, rabbit. They just hunting
Oh, definitely.
What are you doing?
cleaning out the horse pen, man. Cleaning out the horse pen. Getting Trina thing right. Got my pop and you trying to work, trying to put y'all to work.
Where did he go? Oh, say hey to the camera.
Hey, y'all. These good boys down here trying to get this horse squared away, along with a few of the dogs and these big old hogs.
Hey, Trina. Say hey, girl. Aw. Hey, good girl. Good girl.
Once they dookie on it, they ain't gonna want to eat it.
You think it's enough hay?
Yeah, that's enough. That's way enough right there. She spread. You see how that pen was the first time, man? That was like 3 bales.
Oh. What's going on over there?
What's up? You want some apples? The whole.
Ew, is that?
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, wow.
You get used to that. There we go. Come here. Come here.
Trina.
Come here.
Get out of my yard. Get out of there.
Ain't nobody over here. You come here.
I think this should get nervous.
No, she came up to me. That's not when I walk in.
Oh, is it there?
Can I try some?
Oh, excuse me.
Thank you.
All right. You gonna walk in there.
You are, oh, okay.
Let me go get. Hey, you must forget. I've been doing horses since I'm that big.
Come on, Trina.
Come here.
I'm close to the gate.
Come on, Trina. Come on, pretty girl.
See, I'd be scared that the horse will run into me.
They're scared of you, and you of them. If you let them know that you're scared of them, they're going to mess with you.
Oh.
So that's why you have to. You see, that's why he moved when she come in and want to see you turning.
Sarah,
Huh?
get her brush on the dropper side. You grab her brush from you don't eat. So we got the glove on feet.
What? I don't want her to.
Bite your hand out there,
Right.
bite your hand. This
If you
is
do your hand
turn.
like this, this is how you gonna get bite. That's why they ask you to do it like this.
Well, she almost bit my finger off that one time.
Yeah, I know.
What's the what?
Huh?
I was talking to
Go
her.
get the brush.
Okay, all right. Okay, I got the brush.
Try to get that dirt on the saddle. So you need to be brushing. Get the other one.
What's the other one at?
In the bucket in that white bag. You want me to get it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let her run away. Hold her thing.
I don't know, but she don't let me touch her, so I ain't gonna touch her. I ain't gonna force it.
And your hair needs combing.
I think this is the biggest animal I've been around.
Yeah.
No, for real.
Yeah. You grew up in the city. See, you grew up doing stuff like that.
I'm still scared of deer.
We ain't had no horses, we had mules.
I'm still scared of deer.
Yeah, we had mules.
Hey, Trina girl.
There must be some oil or something you can buy. Make them slick. I think
Make 'em slick.
You brush them all the time, then they'll get slick anyway.
Is it like rough?
Yeah, I just want to put this here, lay down. They probably got all kinds of stuff, like they do it with dogs and cats.
They probably produce. You think they produce oil?
Yeah, they got a little bit. I believe the more you brush them, the slicker they get, I think.
Mm.
She got the Appaloosa here.
The apple who?
That's Appaloosa.
Appaloosa?
That's the name of the horse.
Oh.
That's the breed.
So how old is Trina?
Oh, I ain't know. You boo ain't never say. How old is you?
Oh, she's 3. I think he told me that. I just forgot.
3-year-old. Let some of it out.
I'm gonna let all of it. She ain't gonna be in here. She gonna be over there until after the storm. Each metal massive. Got to feed her while you're brushing her and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and talk to her.
Oh, yeah. I was talking to
How
her.
they gain trust in that right pretty girl. She like to be scratched right here. I learned that the other day. She started moving her lips weird. I said, uh-oh.
So what is that doing? What, scratching her?
Yeah, I'm just scratching her. Oh,
Oh.
this right here get like that.
Like,
Dirt from under their skin.
uh-huh.
Yeah. Like a little comb to get that extra hair and stuff.
And you burn them, I think get a use on them here, baby. I mean, I'm big in here.
Yeah,
You think you might need to, like, wipe her eyes?
But it got something in it. It's all
A
right.
little crusty. I think she was standing in the,
Why you're brushing this here?
Oh, I was recording.
Already hold it. Already going. All right.
Hey, Trina.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
My ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls.
boys and girls,
No. they like stuff like this.
Oh.
She good.
well, we just took her to the hairdresser,
You do the top,
beauty salon.
or is that top piece kind of
They like that. I combed that. You ain't gonna brush that.
Next week she'll be getting dressed.
Well, you playing? I might. Now I'm gonna have maybe braid her thing down.
Yeah.
If you want to.
You for real?
Yeah, when it get longer, when I wash it, I have it braided.
How you gonna wash it? Just have her stand up?
Yeah, you got to start from when you wash the horse, and you got to wet them first. You got to start from the feet. Don't start from like up top. Got to get them used to it.
Boys and girls, this is how country boys and country girls do it.
I've been a country girl.
I thought I did talking like that.
It's like, well, she want more apples.
I see that. That's why I just mess with my thing.
Yeah, her hair look, her man's looking better now.
You gonna comb it? Yeah, comb it.
That's a little.
Come on. Come on. Back up some more. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good job, Trina.
I'm gonna go the other way, Trina. Yeah, go this way. Come on. Go that way. Go that way. Back up. Back up. Back up. All right, go that way. This way. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look, ain't no work to do today.
She following me right
Am I walking too slow for you?
No, stay in front of her. Always. Let her follow you.
Come on, Trina.
It's a dominance thing.
Come on, Trina. Do I turn it this way?
Wherever way you want her to go, you pull it. That's how it's supposed to be in the girl. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, girl? Jacket too big for her. Trina. Little bit, she done spread it all out already.